This is Darren. Darren doesn't have many friends because he's a zombie, like his father and his father before him. Darren lives in the sewers, and he often likes to sit on his computer and play games all day, except when the computer breaks down and he ends up hitting it with his crowbar. Darren loved to discover things in the sewers, and when he did, he made sure that no one else would want to touch them. Darren is not allowed on the surface because he is often shot for being a zombie. Yes, that was Darren, and we respected him for that. So one day we decided to put Darren out of his misery, and we gave him a very, very special present for his birthday.
I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very